Donaldson here. We repair. Donaldson here. Today, Donaldson here. Today we're gonna show you how to save hundreds, if not thousands, if not millions of dollars when it comes to repairing rotten wood, where the rotten wood is unsightly. A lot of these jackass will come around here trying to sell you on $200,000, $300,000, $400,000 repairs, when all you gotta do is call us and we'll install a 2-part wood epoxy called Wood Epoxies by Abatron. It could be done for as little as $25 for a small patch. It's sandable and paintable, and it dries harder than wood. If you would, just follow me. Hey Mikey, how's the windows coming? How's the windows? How's the windows coming, Mikey? We're gonna make them look good as brand new?
Yeah, boss.
And what we're gonna do here is we're gonna show you where the rotten wood was. I'm gonna show you a picture of where the rotten wood was. Hundreds, if not thousands, if not millions of dollars has been saved. Hundreds, if not thousands.